Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to make Rice Krispie Cakes with chocolate. Our ingredients are 60 grams of unsalted butter. I would take this out a little bit before so it softens. 100 gram bar of chocolate. It can be any chocolate, milk, white, dark, anything you like. 90 grams of Rice Krispies. I use Kellogg's, but you could use any brand, or you could use bran flakes or corn flakes. 2 tablespoons of honey and syrup. This is optional, but it helps to stick them together. Let's check our ingredients. 60 grams of unsalted butter, yes. Chocolate, yep. 90 grams of Rice Krispies, yep. And honey, yep. You're also going to need a small saucepan, a glass bowl to melt your chocolate in, a plate and a bowl and scales to measure out all your ingredients, a big mixing bowl to mix all your ingredients together, and some mixing spatulas or spoons, some cupcake cases to put the cake in, and a big tablespoon for the honey. So firstly, measure out your ingredients. You must have an adult for this bit because you have to chop up the butter with a knife and it's very dangerous. An adult needs to put the kettle on to boil the water so you can melt the chocolate. Next, break the chocolate into little pieces in the glass mixing bowl. Now adults, mummies, daddies, carers, babysitters, nanas, granddads, omas and oppas, aunties, uncles, big sisters, big brothers, be careful too, this is hot water. Then we add the butter and keep stirring and stirring until it looks like this. Then we're going to add some honey. Does anyone know where honey comes from? Then we add our Rice Krispies and we stir it all together. Now you're going to need a big plate or a dish to place the cases in and get a big or little spoon to put the Rice Krispies mix into the cases. When you've done this, set them aside for about 10 minutes to become more solid. Now, because I love chocolate so much, I melted some extra chocolate to drizzle on top. Remember to help your adult clean up the mess and maybe you can have one of your delicious cakes. Now, because it's very important to eat fruits and vegetables to be healthy and strong, I chopped up some yummy sweet strawberries to go on top of my cakes. Why don't you do that with your favourite fruit? They look delicious and very colourful with the fruit on top. Make sure we use our kind hands to share our yummy cakes to show our family and friends how yummy they taste. With my leftover mix, I made a love heart shaped Rice Krispie cake. There was a little bit of chocolate left over. I will just take that. Thanks for watching. Comment below for video ideas that you would love to see.